2 more to do. I need to do the 4 ohm resistor. The 4 ohm resistor also has I2. That's 1.5. 4 times 1.5 is 6 volts. So the 4 ohm resistor is absorbing 9 watts. 9 watts. Okay. And finally, our last resistor is that 8 ohm resistor in the middle. The 8 ohm resistor is not L1, I1, or I2. I get excited. I just can't hide it. That's right, Tony. 1.5 minus 1.25 is 0.25 amps. 0.25 amps. And the voltage is 8 times 0.25. That's 8 divided by 4, which is 2 volts. And it absorbs 0.5 watts of power. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you for liking. So what was wrong is that the voltage here was 3.75. But because I was talking and writing, I put 3.75 over here. So that power should have been 3.75 times 1.25, which is 4.6875. So now let's see if it balances. We found our mistake and we move on. If it still does not balance, I go back over to Maple and I keep working. So now the power delivered is 7.5 plus 4.6875, which is 12.1875. Okay, so something else is wrong, but we figured out what it was. Down here, the 2 ohm resistor has 3, so that is 4.5. 6 times 1.5, 6, 9. So that's 13.5. I'm getting a 14. So there is still something wrong. So there's another mistake we have to find. No, I was right the first time. Lord, that's not where the mistake is. See what happens when I'm producing? I do also post my lives later. Which means that if you're missing anything that I'm doing right now, you can come back and watch later. This was right the first time. It was 3.75. I got distracted. I was thinking that was a resistor. So it is 7.5 plus 3.75. That means the mistake is somewhere in the resistor. So we need to go and check out the resistors and find out where the mistake is. Okay, 3 volts has 1.25, and the 4 ohm resistor also has 1.25. So right here, this should have been 1.25. And then 4 times 1.25 is 5. So then the power here is 6.25. All right. So now when I add all those up, I'm going to have 4.5 plus 6.25 plus 0.5. And now the table balances. I'm glad you are enjoying this. I'm glad you think it's insane. All right. So now